news, influences, interests on YouTube.
Influence here today. I have a quick one. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this blind slab that I got from Lost Boy Comics. Not affiliated with Lost Boy Comics. I just saw them advertise blind slabs.
Subscribe.
So I just took it out the FedEx box. It wasn't a FedEx box like this, and the box was like it could just fit in the box. So I like this. This is kind of cool. I guess these are just like noodles. I just wanted to show the package. I know it's not that serious, but it is serious when you're ordering comics, you know. But I just wanted to show how they packed it, I should say. Now, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with them at all. I have no clue if they have any type of guarantees. I don't know. I didn't really read a lot. I just saw a comic and I was like, oh, let me see what that's about. And then they were like, blind box, blind slabs. So I don't know. I was getting at, I don't know. You know how some companies say it's going to be worth what you pay. I think I paid 40 bucks for this. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to be worth what I paid or not. I've been out the comic game for a minute. I don't even know if I know, unless it's something crazy. And here we go. Just happens to be Spider-Man, one of my favorite characters. So that's great. And Spider-Man, what am I doing? Let me take it out the plastic. So this, I've never seen this cover before in my life. This is Amazing Spider-Man, Amazing Visions. You can see here, 9.8. Like I said, I don't know if this is worth anything. I will be looking it up. Maybe I'll put it if it is. But yeah, 9.8 CGC graded. Looks like Ben Reilly. I don't know if that's Ben Reilly or that's another Spider-Man. It's a cool cover. Like, the artwork is great. It looks more realistic than anything. And you have the back. 15 of 25. It was originally $4.99. Variant edition. All right, so it's a slab, and it's nice. It's a slab. It's a CGC. Anybody that's familiar, they know what they look like. I got a few comics graded, but now I have another one. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll get over to the next one. Peace.
You know, life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.